Hi, hello, this is Tim Goff of Tim's Computer Repairs, coming at you again with yet another computer repair job. On this job, I am currently working on a Toshiba satellite C55, and I'm currently in the process of backing up the user files, like pictures, documents, movies, what have you. And as you can tell on this specific job, he's having issues keeping his stuff on this desktop, and he's got a lot of different icons down here and stuff. And when the computer first pops up, the screen flickers and stuff like that. So I've got to, I had to come into the task manager and stop a bunch of these background processes in order to be able to get it to do what I'm currently in the process of doing, which is backing up his files from his users folder over to my external hard drive, so that way I can start a fresh installation of Windows. And this is the current process. I'll be coming at you with more once I am in that step. This is Tim of Tim's Computer Repairs, coming at you with the next progress update. I am currently in the process of getting ready to redo the Windows 10 installation of the laptop. It's currently loading the files. I'm booting from the DVD drive, and I'm going to be installing Windows 10 64-bit. It's currently loading the files of this. It's almost loaded. Sorry about the background noise, that's my cousin. He's in the other room.
Takes place in the frigid world of Iceland Dale. You might need to take a sweater. You will explore varied and iconic locations in the frozen
It said it was loading the files. And let's just see what happens, I guess.
If it falls into the wrong hands, darkness could blanket this realm. So naturally this power attracts.
Okay, here we go. Had me worried there for a minute. So we're just going to click next here. And then we're going to click install now. And setup is starting. And then once this gets past this part, we will tell it to install a clean copy. He can take a beating, but he'll give one back. As you can tell, it's kind of slow. I'm guessing it has one of those old school regular SATA drives. So we're going to accept the license terms. We're going to click next. We're going to custom install Windows only. And then we're going to put that over here on partition 4.
They say the island is full of miracles, and we might find a cure.
We'll format this.
Lively there, lads and lasses! I promised the merchants and their prince we'd be off before the tide.
I'm de Sade, the prince's nephew. If all is in order, we will soon be
And then
embarking
we'll
on your
select that. And then we'll click next. And now it's in the process of installing Windows.
On a mission to heal his people.
And I'll be coming at you with another update once we're ready to do so. Okay, this is Tim of Tim's Computer Repairs coming at you with yet another update. Excuse me. So now we're going to select the region for United States and click yes.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that? Do you also type with another keyboard layout? Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and now type your credentials.
Now hang on a minute. There's my doggy. Okay, I had to type in my password for my Wi-Fi. So I'm sorry I can't get that out.
Mission accomplished. You're all linked up.
And now we'll click next to progress.
Now we have some important setup to do. Now let's see what's new from Windows.
Sorry, this computer's kind of slow. I'm gonna recommend that they update the internal hard drive to a solid state drive when they get a chance to do so. I redid Windows on there because it had a lot of background processes loading up when Windows first loaded up and the screen was flickering and stuff. So I figured the best way to remedy it was to back up the stuff and then redo the Windows installation. Well, I'm not gonna bore you guys with sitting here and watching us do this, so I'll be back with another update once it's ready. And thanks for watching these videos. If you like them, my videos, give them a like, share them if you choose to, and then like my page on Facebook at facebook.com/Tim's Computer Repairs, and then
Type your
subscribe
email
to my
address or phone
YouTube
number,
channel
then follow the
if you
instructions
choose.
to sign in. I'll catch up with you once that's done.
This is Tim of Tim's Computer Repairs coming back with another progress update on the Toshiba satellite C55. I have Windows successfully installed, Windows 10 Home, and as you can tell, Windows is indeed activated. And I am currently in the process of doing the Windows updates. And then all I'll have to do is put the data back on there, and then the computer should be good to go. This has been Tim of Tim's Computer Repairs with yet another successful computer repair service performed. If you like this video, please like it, share it to your Facebook, subscribe on my YouTube channel, recommend Tim's Computer Repairs to your friends, what have you, and it's been a pleasure. I am out until the next video.